This video is about the basics of quality, as quality is the foundation of system test. Quality seems really like something that everyone is naturally striving for. And the origin of quality originates in the Latin word qualitas, which means what kind of. And it was coined by the philosopher Cicero in the 1st century of BCE. And then after a while, the origin of systematic quality actually lies in guilds, which are professional associations. Back then, craftsmen were responsible for producing quality themselves. And if they did not meet the quality requirements of customers, they were actually excluded from those guilds. And quality as part of development and engineering started in the 19th century, and especially then with the two world wars. Nowadays, quality is a competitive advantage, and excellent organizations try to deliver products with the highest quality. The definition today of quality is really not uniform, and also the realm of quality varies very much. So there are a lot of different definitions. Maybe one of the most popular ones comes from the ISO norm, which is the degree to which a set of inherent characteristics fulfills requirements. But for me, I rather define quality as a state of valuable, reliable, and excellent products. And as products get ever more complicated, more sophisticated quality efforts are needed. And this trend leads to system tests for complex systems. And looking at the system test stack, quality is the cross-cutting principle that serves as the foundation for it. It is an integral part of development, and so to say, actually also then the link to it. As to achieve quality, the principles needs to be integrated in every phase of the development itself. And while development processes and quality management itself are well-established engineering field, there is little defined knowledge about system test in complex embedded systems in the way presented here. So system tests are quality management activities that verifies whether the system behaves correctly and in a way that satisfy the customer and the users. So therefore, basically all organizations want that, but the difference is on how organizations approach it and how it is executed. When it comes to the execution, quality management is the overarching framework for managing all quality-related activities. Within this realm, quality assurance is the proactive activity that gives confidence that quality requirements are met by preventing defects and any kind of errors. And within that, quality control ensures that criteria and KPIs are met by detecting issues and making sure that those are fixed. So let's look at the quality matrix to finalize the quality overview. In the quality matrix, there are certain views on how you can look at quality of products, starting with the different levels, where you have the product quality, which are the characteristics and the customer demands and how they are fulfilled. Then there's the process quality, which includes how the product is developed and manufactured. And system quality actually takes everything into account that touches the product in any way. Then the quality perspectives, they also frame quality in different ways. So quality as product-based are measurable and classifiable product characteristics. Customer-based quality places emphasis on perceived quality demands. Manufacturing-based quality are those secondary characteristics that are required for the product production. And value-based quality refers to the cost or the price of the benefits a product brings. And then there are certain dimensions of quality, for example, performance, which are objective and measurable, features, which are product characteristics, reliability, which is the probability that a product will work over time, which is of course a very important quality aspect. Then conformance, to make sure that the product or the feature is in line with pre-established standards and measured by the incidence of certain errors or defects. Durability are economic and technical measures of the product's lifespan. Serviceability, which is the speed and the competence and ability of repair. Aesthetics, which are of course a subjective measure related to the look and feel. And last but not least, the perceived quality, which is also a subjective measure of the overall quality in terms of brand image, advertising, branding, and basically just how a customer or user feels about the product.